First Lady Dr. Auxilia Mnangagwa, patron of the Angel of Hope Foundation, on Monday delivered early Christmas gifts to children's homes, elderly institutions, hospitals, and members of the uniformed forces across the country, a move that has drawn sharp criticism from the observers who view it as more spectacle than substance. Auxilia Mnangagwa's Christmas gifts blitz fail to embrace struggling citizens. To subscribe or like on the bell icon. Although the donations were presented as an act of compassion during the festive season, some critics argue that such gestures fail to address the deepening social and economic hardships facing many Zimbabweans. The First Lady distributed groceries and other basic supplies sourced through Angel of Hope Foundation partners. Despite the negative reactions, Mrs. Mnangagwa said, "It warms her heart to stand with those in need," insisting that the outreach is driven by compassion and goodwill. However, analysts maintain that clarity events of this nature highlight the government's failure to provide adequate social support systems, with some noting that festive season handouts do little to ease long-term suffering. Ndoma shikaruda pangwana itakuwa ni critics achiti aiwa yes tinofara nekureceiva Christmas gifts but panguva ine haamboiti anything, anotongoya achitongopepereka achitongopera vanhu vodzokera mupoverty yavo yazosvika another Christmas yasvika ya2026 panguva ino vanhu vachicriticize the move. Mashoko ari kubuda panguva ino ari kuri kunze panguva ino people they expecting much from the ruling party ZANU-PF. Wes kuchiona kwekunzi they are gifting vanhu motor vehicles. Yesterday takanzwa Aidzo Aisha was also gifted a motor vehicle, and if someone not imota yemanga but imota dzemhando yepamusoro from the same party iri kuri kwakunzi inongokuya ichikoshesa madonations. Pena comment section medu zvafunguro aim to leave pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.